Good afternoon, children. All of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, Amma. Good afternoon, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon, children. All of you had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Had your lunch, all of you?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Amma. Good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon, children.
Copywriting one page.
Next period we'll write Vimuda. Okay?
Ma'am, you said we will write grammar book now, ma'am.
Yeah, Havisha, in this period, I'm having some teaching part to complete. I will teach you that. We'll do F bit in this class. And next class, yes, next class, you will write one page cursive writing, and we'll deal on the topic I'll tell you. Okay? Still,
Ma'am, I completed strokes, ma'am, in cursive writing.
Ma'am,
is copywriting also.
next period, not in this class. Next period also we have English only now. We have 2 classes
Yes,
today.
ma'am.
2 periods.
I completed strokes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Star letters.
Somebody unmuted, please be muted, all of you. Talking, be muted, I said. Please try to cooperate. Yes. And children, I didn't say F bit, so I'll teach you now F bit, children. F bit. Before going to do F bit, I'm having some. That is page number 18 in grammar book. Now, this page is page number 18 in grammar book. Children, here, all of you look at my board once. 1 second, you look at my board. Can you all see my board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First,
Yes, ma'am.
First, we'll see this. After learning this, we do F bit. After that, we'll do another remaining bits also. See, and here, now in this class, we are going to learn about suffix. Suffix. Already we have learned, somebody started scribbling. Clear that? Who did that? Clear? See, we are going to learn about suffix in this class, children. And before going to learn suffix, we have already done prefix. Prefix. We have done in course book. Possible. If we add like this. Possible. If we add am, it will become impossible. This we have learned already in course book, right? Prefix. We add the word before so that we call that as prefix. Aradhya, are you listening? This is prefix, children. This is prefix. But now in our class, we are learning about suffix. If we add a small word 2 or 3 letters word before, that is prefix. But here what we do is in suffix, we take one word and we add a group of words at the end. Kind. For this kind word, I added N-E-S-S. It became kindness.
Kindness.
Improve. Improve. M-E-N-T. This M-E-N-T I added at the end. At the end. It became improvement. Here, friend. Friend. I added ship. Friendship. Children, one thing, one common iron. One After that, we added group of words at the end, right? Kind, end, we added NES. Improve, at the end we added MENT. Friend, at the end we added SHIP, right? All these we have added at the end of word. Right, children? Yes or no?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So, if we add a group of words to the word at the end, that is what is called suffix. This is a suffix, this is a suffix, and this is also a suffix. Here, NESS is suffix in this word, MENT is suffix in this word, SHIP is suffix. Now, what we understood, suffix is a group of letters which we add at the end of a word, right? If we add a group of letters at the end of a word, that is what is called suffix.
Suffix.
Yes, I am just repeating the same, children. Try to follow me.
Ma'am, if we put the word in front of the word, it's prefix.
Yes, if we add before, that is prefix. We have learned already prefixes in course book.
Ma'am, if we
Now-
add before a word, it is called prefix. If we add after the word, it
At
is
the-
called suffix.
Yes,
Suffix.
yes, Danish. Yes, you are correct. See, I am repeating the same. Suffix means that we add a group of letters at the end of word. In this word, for the word kind, we added NESS. This NESS is called suffix. Here, improve. Improvement. MENT, ment is suffix. Friend, friendship. SHIP is suffix. That means suffix we add at the end of a word. If we add a group of letters at the end of a word, that is what is called suffix. Are you clear with this, children? Yes?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
we also learn one more thing here. Try to observe clearly now, children. Now, this kind is adjective. Kind is adjective. If we add a suffix to adjective, automatically it will become abstract noun. Children, kind is adjective.
Ma'am, grammar book.
Grammar book, page number 18, I am teaching. Kind is adjective. If we add a suffix to the adjective, this will become abstract noun. Are you clear, children? If we add a suffix, this is suffix. This is suffix. If we add a suffix to the adjective, that will become abstract noun. Same. Improve is verb. If we add suffix to the verb, it also will become abstract noun. Yes, here also the same.
Suffix we add to a verb, it will become abstract noun.
Yes.
Same to the common noun.
If we add a suffix to the verb, that will become abstract noun. Here also. This is a common noun. Friend is a common noun. If we add a suffix, this is common noun. If we add a suffix to the common noun, it also will become abstract noun. Try to understand, children. I'm repeating the same. Repeating the same, try to understand. Here, K-I-N-D, kind is adjective. Here, kindness. Kind is adjective. And here for the adjective, we added N-E-S-S. N-E-S-S is suffix. If we add suffix to the adjective, it will become abstract noun. Here, improve, verb. We added improvement. M-E-N-T, ment is suffix. If we add suffix to the verb, it also will become abstract noun. Here, friend is common noun. This is friendship. Friend is common noun. S-H-I-P, ship is suffix. Suffix. If we add suffix to the common noun, it also will become abstract noun. Are you all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Any more doubts? Anybody in the class?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No. And now what we do
No, ma'am.
is, okay, children. Now Sai Charan K, read all these words. Page number 18. Adjective, abstract noun. Adjective, abstract noun. Read all these words. Sai Charan K. First. Unmute.
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Harika. Harika, read.
Kind,
Kind.
kindness.
First read.
smartness,
Kind, kindness. Like that you have to read.
Kind, kindness.
Mm.
Smart,
Mm.
smartness.
Mm. Mm. Harika.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Possible.
What is Sugada?
Possible,
Mm.
Ma.
possibility.
Possible, possibility.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
what is
can I
my
read? This is
possibility,
Sandesh.
ma'am?
Possible, possibility. Read Harika.
ఇక్కడ దోస్తున్నాడు
Who
Possible,
is this unmuted and talking?
Possible,
Possible, possibility.
possibility. Ma'am, someone is muting.
Vanita, Vanita, you are in class.
Ma'am, it's Kritvik, ma'am.
That only. Oh, they came with the Vanita name now, so that's right. Yes. Next. Harika, continue. This word.
Ma'am.
Scarce.
Yes.
What is this? Scarcity.
Scarcity.
Next.
Scarcity.
Yes. In all these words, they gave in this column adjective, children. If we add suffix to the adjective, they became abstract nouns. Kindness, smartness, possibility, scarcity, all these are abstract nouns, children.
Possible, possibility.
Ma'am, can I read?
1 second. Who is this calling me?
Amrita.
Amrita, you got chance morning. I can't give you.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ajay Mitra. Ajay Mitra.
Ma'am, what is mean by scarcity?
Scarcity means
Ma'am.
Less in quantity. Scarcity means less in quantity, we can say. For example, you need 10 pens, but you have 8 only. That is scarcity. Ajay Mitra, read. Read this. Independent.
Independent.
Hmm.
Independent dance.
Independence.
Independence dance.
Children, except Ajay Mitra, remaining children be muted. Check once whether you are muted or not.
Muted, ma'am.
Who is this Jyoti Reddy? I told you already be muted. Why you are unmuting? Nihal. Don't unmute and don't disturb. Again unmuted. Nihal, you don't do anything. I'll mute you. You don't do anything. Don't touch. Don't touch anything. Nihal, please don't touch anything. Yes, Ajay. Continue. Fast.
Loyal.
Loyal.
Loyal. Loyalty. Ma'am, over.
Only one line. Huh? Okay. Ganesh, read second one.
Ma'am, can I read this?
Silent.
I didn't write.
Silently.
I didn't read, ma'am.
Strong.
Sanjay.
I'll give you Sanjay. Wait.
Strong.
Strength.
Strength.
Next, complete this box. Fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Break.
Not break. Brave.
Brave. Bravely.
Bravery.
Bravery. Angry.
Anger.
Anger.
Continue.
Intelligent.
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 Intelligence.
Intelligence.
Intelligence. Course.
Curious. Curious.
Curious. Curious. Curiosity. Curiosity.
Curiosity. Curious.
Curiosity.
Curiosity. Next, Sanjay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read last line number fast.
Freedom. Complex. Complexity.
Good. Complex, complexity. Children, if you observe here in first column, they gave you adjectives. In second column, we added suffix and we made abstract nouns. Did you observe that, all of you children? Yes, sir.
One line I should read.
Yes. 1 second. Sanjay, wait. See, here we have verbs here. Here, by adding a suffix, we are making abstract nouns. We'll see how to make. Sanjay, continue now. Improve.
True. Improvement. Appear. Appearance.
Next line.
Arrangement.
Preserve.
Preserve.
Perseverance.
Perseverance.
Perseverance. Perseverance.
Perseverance.
Ma'am, what is mean by perseverance?
I'll get you 1 second. Let me.
Hate.
Past.
Hatred. Believe.
Hatred.
Hatred. Believe. Belief. Decide. Decision. Obey. Obedience.
Obedience. Obedience. Okay.
Obedience.
Thank you. Nanda Gopal. Nanda Gopal. Here. Reduce.
Okay, ma'am. Reduce. Reduction.
Reduction.
Reduction. Different. Define. Defend.
Defend.
Defense. Law. Law. Laughter.
Laughter.
Discover.
Discover.
Discover. Discovery. Serve. Service. Depart. Depart through. Common noun. Friend. Friendship. Slave. Slavery. Child. Childhood. Boy. Boyhood.
Yes. And see here, children. 1 second. Yes. See here, children. We have seen here also verbs. If we add suffix to the verb, we can make them abstract nouns. And here, these are common nouns. If we add a suffix to that, we can make that as abstract noun. Now, we are having a exercise here. F8 will do that. And add suitable suffixes to change these words to abstract nouns. You may have to slightly change the spelling for sometimes. And sometimes we may also change the spelling. Possibility is there, they are saying. And here, first one, Rohit, read first one. Rohit, read first one. Rohit, read first one.
Act. A-C-T. Act.
Act. For act, what we have to add suffix to make it abstract noun?
Act. Action.
Yes. Action. Somebody calling me just before. Didn't get chance. They said, who is that?
Ma'am, it's me. Ma'am.
If
Ma'am,
you,
I said it's chance, ma'am.
if you say, I can identify you easily.
Ma'am, after Aradhya, can I read?
Yes, Aradhya, you can read second one. Give me second answer. Fit.
Weak. Weakness.
Huh? Fit. Second one is fit.
Fit.
Fitly.
Fitness.
Fitness we can't see. Fitness is abstract noun.
Ma'am, after Harshita, can I see?
Yes, Havisha. Third one. Harshita, as you didn't get chance now.
Ma'am, weakness.
Samhita, wait. Yes, Samhita, wait a moment. Weak. Samhita, I'll call you, wait. Weak. What is abstract noun for weak?
Weakness.
Weakness.
Ma'am, Harika is telling everything, ma'am.
Harika, be muted. When I
Can I
give
tell
chance
the
to-
fourth one?
one second. Yes, 1 second, wait. Children, wait. Sai Charan, I gave you morning chance. Here, children, be muted. Who didn't get chance, let them also take chance. When they are talking, you please don't unmute and don't disturb them. If you are reading the sentence, in between, if they come and say the answer, how do you feel, children? Okay, don't unmute and don't disturb others. Okay? Yeah. And Vimuda, you also got chance morning, it seems. I call your name morning. Let some children, they didn't get morning also chance, let them take. If I have some more chances, I'll give you. And Hamisha got, Charan got, now somebody called me. Samhita.
Morning.
Morning you didn't get, just now I have called you now, Havisha.
Ma'am, Harika told the answer, ma'am, then.
Okay then. Fourth one, Samhita will read. Fifth one, Havisha will read. Samhita, fourth one answer.
Ma'am, humans, ma'am.
Humanity. Humanity is the abstract noun, okay? Humanity. We can't see humanity, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is mean by humanity?
Human. Huh?
Ma'am, we got chance, ma'am. This is Rihasini.
Yes, one second. Hasni, let Havisha take chance. After that, Sri Hasini. Havisha, free.
Yes, ma'am.
Free.
Freeness, ma'am.
Freeness, huh? If we have
Ma'am,
A bird flies.
Free.
Freedom.
Freedom. Sri Hasini, good. Good.
Goodness.
Goodness, very good.
Ma'am, can I tell the next one? I'm Harshita.
Harshita, as you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can. This is seventh one.
Wise. Ma'am, wisdom, ma'am.
Yes, wisdom. Very good. Very good. Next. Eng. Who will? Shaurya. Did you got chance? Shaurya, did you get chance morning?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Young.
Youngness, ma'am. Youngness.
For young people, what do we say? They are young.
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Sorry, I wrote here only. Yeah. For young people, we say YOUTH.
Youngster, ma'am.
What is this?
Youth.
Youth.
Ma'am, we can say youngster, ma'am.
Youngsters is not abstract now. Havisha. Youth means they are young people. Youth means their age. They are young, it means. Next, Aradhya got. Chandana, did you get morning chance? If anybody didn't get chance, raise your hands. I may miss sometimes. Yuval, you got chance morning.
No, ma'am.
Amrita got. Rohit.
Ma'am, I didn't get a chance.
Okay, Yuval. Yuval read 9th one. Rohit will read 10th one. Yuval.
10th one, ma'am.
9th one, Yuval. 10th one, Rohit. Cruel. What is abstract noun for cruel? Yuval. Responding, Yuval?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Cruel. Cruelty. Okay. No problem. Rohit.
Ma'am, you didn't ask me, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Darshil.
Who is this?
Ma'am, Darshil.
Darshil.
Ma'am,
Rohit's siblings. Ma'am, Rohit's siblings have been distributed only.
Rohit got chance already.
Ma'am.
Okay, 1 second. Ditya,
Ma'am, I also got, ma'am.
you also got. Okay. Some children are raising hands, but they got chance and
Dhruti, I did not got.
you didn't get. Dhruti, read them. Dhruti.
Yes, ma'am.
Relation.
Relation.
Relationship. Okay. Yeah. Still anybody without chance?
Relationship.
Abhilash, did you get chance? Abhilash, read.
Ma'am,
11th
I
one.
did not get chance, ma'am, and Ditya.
Ditya didn't get. 1 second.
Ma'am, I did not get chance on.
Yeah. Ditya, read 11th one. Abhilash will read next. Ditya, read 11th one.
Neighboring.
Neighbor.
Neighboring.
Not neighboring. Once again, try.
Neighborness.
No. Neighborness is there any word like that? Neighbor.
No. Neighborhood.
Yes. Next, Abhilash.
Ma'am, can I tell I'm just Ma'am, after
Abhilash,
can I tell this is Chandana?
Who is? Chandana, did you get chance? Chandana, did you get chance?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, read 12th one now. Now we are reading 12th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Silent.
Silent.
Silently,
Ma'am, I'm Abdullah.
Silently is not a noun, no? Silently. Sit silently means that is adverb, not noun. Silence. Okay. Some more hands were raised.
Ma'am, I'm just ma'am, I didn't got chance. Can I read?
Wait. Jeshwant, did you get chance?
No, ma'am.
No. Jeshwant, read kind. Kind.
Ma'am, kindness.
Kindness. Very good. Kindness. Next, Abdul, 14th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Inform.
Information.
Information. Very good. Information. Next, Darshil.
Yes, ma'am.
Appoint.
Appointment, ma'am.
Appoint.
Ma'am.
Yes. Appointment. And be muted all of you. Yuvan, be muted. Yuvan, be muted.
I will watch them, ma'am.
And Nihal, still unmute only. Yeah? I'll mute you, Nihal. I'll mute you. Please listen to me, Nihal. You're not understanding what is muting and what is unmuting. I'll mute you, but don't unmute. Whenever I call you, only you unmute, okay? Don't touch anything.
Ma'am, when we are in the mute, it is showing unmute, ma'am. That's why he is
He
confused.
is getting confused. Okay, no problem. Last bit is there. Who will read?
Describe.
Rohit. Rohit, read last one.
Describeness.
Describeness.
I'm describing.
Describe.
Ma'am, describeness is not even a word, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Display.
Hmm?
Description.
Description. Yes, I'll show you all the answers, children. Make fast. You have to complete in this class only. Okay? Make it fast, children.
Ma'am, over, ma'am.
Yeah, if yours is over, don't make sound. Speak quiet, speak quiet. If you are-
Who's over, they will be raise hand.
you can raise your hands, but be quiet, children. Don't disturb others. Let them write. Children, make it fast. More 3 minutes only. It may disconnect.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the GB fourth one, ma'am.
GB fourth one. My eyes filled with tears to see the dash caused by the avalanche, destruction, that means. And here, by seeing so much destruction, something bad, she is crying. My eyes filled with tears, crying. For that, we have to find the word. Yes.
Ma'am, can you show up?
Oh, 1 second. I'll give you. I'll come to next class now. I'll show you. Or else I'll just see my book. I'm having textbook with me. By seeing, yes, here.
Ma'am, finish now.
Fourth one. My eyes filled with tears to see the destruction. G beat. Yeah, okay, ma. G beat. Fourth one. Destruction. Destruction. By seeing the destruction caused by some damage, so that she is crying almost.
Ma'am, GBIT is homework.
Hmm?
GBIT is homework.
E bit.
GBIT, ma'am.
G.
GBIT.
Yeah.
GBIT, ma'am.
G-bit homework only, and C-bit also I have done some only, that you have to do. D-bit you have to do, and G-bit also I have done only some, that also we have to do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Shall I close this? Still more,
Yes, ma'am.
more than 1 minute we
Yes,
are having. Yes. We can do G-bit.
Yes. Ma'am.
We can write. We can see at least one bit here in G.
Destruction.
This is destruction, right? Destruction, fourth one. By seeing the destruction. Destruction.
What is fifth one? Politeness. Ma'am, fifth one.
Destruction. Destruction.
one.
She, let me. She is loved by one and all because of her
Beauty.
beauty. We wrote already beauty. Yes,
Ma'am.
we wrote already.
Ma'am, happiness. Ma'am, politeness.
Politeness. We can write politeness. Politeness. Next, we understand.